What's up guys, you're watching the Switch Show, and if you're new in my channel, don't forget to subscribe and like. Today our topic is PlayStation 5 error, and the error is CE-109737-7. USB storage drive cannot be recognized. So this is a SSD or a USB drive error. I'm just going to share my screen on the left side, and here we are at the screen. You just simply go to settings, and there is a storage. You tap on the storage, and here you have a USB extended storage. So when you connect the extended storage, you must format it first on the PlayStation 5 or 4. If you try to format from the other devices like a laptop or a computer or other, it's not gonna work. You must contact with the Sony PlayStation 5, and then you just format it, and Sony will install some files in it to detect your SSD or USB drive, and after that it will be work. And sometime your USB or SSD is not up to date. You must contact 3.0 or up to 3.0. Then after that it will be work. Less than 3.0 is not going to work with your PlayStation 4 or a 5. So simply that's how you can fix this kind of error. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box. Catch you later.